Hey, it's James Bausch, and we are here for our October 2025 Kosciusko County Housing Update. This month, we're going to be looking at the data from Q3, that's July, August, and September this year compared to Q3 of last year. And we have some pretty interesting information, so stay tuned with us. So starting off with the number of new properties that came on the market last year in Q3, we had 410. This year, we only had 334. That's an 18.5% decrease, a significant drop off year over year. Also, the number of sold properties, the actual transactions that took place, last year we were at 355. This year, just 298, which is a 16.1% decrease. Both of those numbers are dropping off steadily over last year. Now, what is interesting is the first half of the year, we were actually up on the number of sold properties about 2.5%. So we have seen a big nosedive in the marketplace, and that number over the last 3 months went from 2.5% down to -16. So we are definitely trending in a slower market. So pay attention if you are a seller on the market. Be aware of this. If you're thinking about selling, pay attention to this information. It's very, very important. The average selling price, though, for the homes that did sell in Q3, last year we were at $380,526. This year, $402,625. So in spite of there being less homes on the market and less homes selling, the average price is up 5.8%. The median value also up. Last year we were at $256. This year we're at a figure of $287,500. So a 12.3% increase year over year for Q3 for the median selling price. That's significantly up in spite of fewer transactions, fewer homes on the market. The average days on market year over year is up just a little bit, 3 days in total, from 42 days last year to 45. That's a 7% increase. Really not a huge move there. And the final number we're going to look at is the sale price to list price ratio, which shows how much sellers are getting on average in comparison to the asking price. Last year, we're at 97% of asking price. This year, holding steady at 97%. So those last two figures holding pretty steady. Again, the number of the inventory, the number of new homes coming on the market, and the number of transactions, the sold properties, down significantly. In spite of that, the average and median values are up year over year. Now, we will be tracking this information very closely to see what happens. But again, if you are a seller, you're thinking about putting your home on the market, or your home is on the market, it's very important information to keep a close eye on. And if you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to reach out.